Why do we get wetter if we run in the rain? Running through the rain exposes a larger surface area to the falling drops, increasing the chance of contact and making us feel wetter. How can a bumblebee fly with its large body and small wings? Bumblebees generate enough lift through rapid wing flapping, despite their seemingly inadequate wing size to body ratio. Why does water expand when it freezes? Unlike most substances, water molecules arrange themselves in a way that causes expansion upon freezing, leading to ice's lower density compared to liquid water. How does a boomerang return to its thrower? The curved shape and the lift generated by its spinning motion create an aerodynamic effect that causes the boomerang to return to its point of origin. Why does a straw appear bent when placed in a glass of water? Light waves bend or refract when passing through different substances, causing the apparent bending of the straw due to the change in the refractive index between air and water. Why does cracking knuckles make a sound? When you crack your knuckles, you create a sudden change in joint pressure that releases gas bubbles trapped in the synovial fluid, resulting in the popping sound. How can a cat always land on its feet? Cats have a flexible spine and a unique mid-air twisting ability that allows them to reorient their bodies and land on their feet during a fall. Why does the moon appear larger on the horizon? The moon appears larger near the horizon due to an optical illusion called the moon illusion, where our brain perceives objects on the horizon as larger than those higher in the sky. How can a helium-filled balloon float in the air? Helium is less dense than the surrounding air, causing the balloon to be buoyant and float upward due to the principle of buoyancy. Why does a spoon in a cup of hot coffee feel hot, but the handle feels cool? Metal is a good conductor of heat, so the heat from the coffee travels quickly up the spoon, making it feel hot. However, the handle, being a poor conductor, doesn't transfer heat as effectively, so it feels cooler to touch.